Alright, we're going to go replace the light on an F250. So this is the third brake light. Mine's all burned out. Why not upgrade to LEDs? Let's see what we got here. So the white's on the outside, red in the middle. A couple screws. So you will need to bring your own screws, it looks like. So save the ones off the truck. And a power connection. We'll just go install this thing, see how it does. Alright, this one looks good even in broad daylight, pretty bright. Really easy to install. It came with gaskets to do the install, but took me about 5 minutes to do. No big deal.